one thing that I still have modified or essentially kind of made my own out of it other than the manifold I like better is a aeroponic cloner. I think that's one that a lot of people sleep on that you don't necessarily need to get the whole cloning system or buy. I'm not even going to drop a name brand, but there's certain systems that you can get where this is just a pump, a bucket, and you've got the inserts cut out perfectly for your little inserts, you know? And I think that's where people overlook the fact that you can do this yourself. You don't need to drop $200 for a 36 unit cloner. You know what I'm saying? Like the difference is, I'd say, versus doing it yourself and buying one that's done is it's already pre-made is going to be the manifold. Like I was saying, is how the sprayer is done. But you can build this yourself with PVC pipes just as easily. Having it come out of the actual pump itself, putting the sprayer pieces in there, having it evenly measured, so you got about 9 in there, and it's the same as you'd get from top of the line cloners. Now, the biggest thing that I've noticed is some of these are shaped better in terms of having your inserts sitting without falling through. So I've had some before the plugs will fall right through. That's a headache. That's a downside. So you got a clone in there and you're going to try to just check it out and you're like, whoop, and it just sinks through and falls in the water. It happens. You know, you're better off to try to, Wink was even saying using a screw or a smaller size and then having the secondary plug, maybe putting 2 layers over it so you've got like an insert for it to sit into, something about maybe a 1/4 inch deep. So that way the plug itself doesn't sink all the way through. But you could literally use like a Home Depot 5-gallon bucket and set up a 12-site cloner super cheap, you know, spending like $40. And there's even other ones where if you want to get like a tote, they've got these like 18-gallon totes that are black bottom with the yellow top. Same.
Yep. I have those. Use that for my worm bin, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say, Mad Hatter Organics, shout out to that cat, man. He actually has I thought he paid for it, man. I was like, how much was this? It's beautiful, and it's made out of that tote, and I like the black and yellow.
Yeah.
And wow, what a just a really awesome setup. And man, something to be proud of. I thought he could almost slap his logo on it.
Yeah.
And distribute, like, get rid of those. So yeah, great, and what a great piece of equipment to have.
Well, if you go on eBay, you'll see
some
a
time.
bunch of cloners that are literally that somebody's just assembled, and then you got to go and put it together. You know, well,
The price is a lot higher than it would be if you were to buy the individual components and then
For
build it
sure.
yourself.
It's like $89, you know, for a 12-site cloner when you can do it yourself. And there's others who, instead of using the aeroponic cloner, they'll just do like bubble ponics. So essentially, you'll just use or aquaponics, bubble ponics. You're gonna have a bubbler. You just put air stones in there, and that works, you know. And there's machines that I think it's like the OxyCloner, really, really quality one. It's tough to compete with those because of the proprietary way that they use these stones. But you could just increase the amount of pressure or the air that you're putting in there and get the same effect. I think it's really about, do you want to take the time versus spending the money for the time? Some things, like, you almost have to just pay for. You know, like I've noticed that with the cloner, I can get away with it. The only thing that made a difference to me was specifically, like, one name drop, Easy Cloner. Their manifold is really nice. Really nice. If you're using anything other than sterilization in your aeroponic cloner, sometimes it can gunk up, those sprayers can. The way that manifold's set up, it's super rare that it does it. Very evenly dispersed on the spraying. So that works well. But what I did is I had my own bucket, my own container, and then I got the manifold replacement one I bought, and then I just put it in there. So
Nice.
same thing, you know. Works great. I mean, I'm getting 14 days at the most, and I'm getting like roots this long. You know, I don't even like them this long, but that's how good it is.
This FTS clip was brought to you by AC Infinity, leaders in garden innovation. Use discount code TheStash15 at checkout to save some money on your order.
From the Stash Podcast.